All right, a little hot topic, probably gonna make somebody mad. Today is specifically about a Can-Am Defender, really all HD10s. I'm not sure what the HD8s and 9s have, but newer HD10s that Can-Am has put 30-inch tires on, whereas before they had 27s. The thing you need to know is Can-Am did not change the gearing. I'm trying to check on the 24 models. I don't think they did yet, and get in 25 models later. So when they started doing the 30s, like I said, they didn't change gearing. So they went up basically 3 inches in tire and didn't change gearing for it. All right, then you tack on top of that, you make it a limited, a regular cab limited. You're heavier because of the cab and all, and you got the air conditioning dragging you down. So now we got 3 inches of tire, cab, and an air conditioner. All right, now let's go one step up. Let's buy a crew limited. Crew limited, way heavy, 30-inch tires, gear for 27s, cab, air conditioning, 4 passengers are all your gear. It's starting to be, for lack of a better word, a pig, because it's just so heavy and doesn't have proper gear. Now, here's the kicker. I've had a handful of calls lately, which has really spurred me to talk about this more and more, is 32-inch tires is a really popular tire size. So guess where I'm going with this? A crew limited with air and 32s, because they look cool, now has tires that are 5 inches larger than it's geared for, plus it's just a heavy vehicle. And we cannot clutch kit that out. Clutch kit's only good for so much. It's kind of like tow haul mode. I use that as an example all the time. You got a half-ton truck, pull a Razor or a Defender or whatever on a trailer, tow haul mode button, helps you out, shift points change, gets you back. If you want to tow a D5 Dozer with the same truck, tow haul mode just ain't gonna cut it. It's better than nothing, but it's not enough. So that's what I'm saying with the clutch kits. They can only get you so far. But once you get into a crew cab limited 32s, you need gearing. So my suggestion, do not put 32s on any of these. When it's time for tires, if you don't need 30s, you might want to go back to 27s or 8s. So it's just information, because we have to deal with it pretty regular as of late, and I thought I would share it with you. Got any questions about this? Todd at Hunterworks.com, and don't forget, best belts on the planet.